Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science programs with Udemy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for data science programs on Udemy, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.udemy.com and press enter. Once the Udemy homepage loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type data science into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of available data science courses. Browse through the courses and select one that interests you. Click on the course title to open its detailed page. Review the course description, curriculum, and instructor information to ensure it meets your needs. To enroll, look for the Buy Now or Enroll Now button, generally found on the right side of the page. Click on the button, and you will be directed to the payment page. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Click on the Sign Up option and fill out the required information. Provide your email address, create a password, and complete any additional fields. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In and enter your credentials. After logging in, return to the course's payment page. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the necessary details. Review your order to ensure that everything is correct. Finally, click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your enrollment. You will receive a confirmation email with your course details once your payment is processed. Once registered, you can access the course from your Udemy account under My Courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.